I am here vibing with one of the firebrands in the entertainment industry. His parents named him Andre Johnson, but we know him as
Jah Mason, aka Farmer man just coming from the farm, you know, fair ask it. Alright then, I've got some fresh food for the people in the market. Teach them!
brother. Everything good, sir?
Yeah, man.
Highly.
The social distance and all of that, car. We are promote that. So, yeah, it's a must.
Mad.
We are do it, car. And we are do it for the people, man, for the world.
Mad thing.
Car, you check what's going on there.
Rough.
John, rough sea. Yeah, you know it's Fire Mason representing for Teach Them.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Fire Mason.
Yes, sir.
All things.
All is good, man. We give thanks to life, man, car. And the greatest, you know, and we're here and we're surviving and, you know,
Give thanks.
doing what's best.
Mad thing.
Yeah.
Talk to us though. Early life. Place of birth.
Right here, you're at the place of birth.
Yeah?
Right here on earth.
River Nile.
Yeah, River Nile brand.
River Nile.
You know, product of the country. Proud product.
Proud
They would
country,
say
man.
Proud country.
Mad thing. How many brothers and sisters?
I have 2 brothers and I have 2 sisters.
And they still around?
Yeah, man, I'm still around.
Give
Man.
thanks,
Two,
man.
one of my sister live in Canada. My sister live in America. My next 2 brother live in America.
Mad thing. Everybody there over so.
Yeah, I don't know.
Mommy and daddy still around?
No, my old man kind of chat still.
Yeah.
Fresh, like,
Job flesh.
yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Over
And the old
like 2
lady?
decades now. Yeah, the old lady up and strong, man.
Yeah, give thanks, man.
First,
Give thanks,
yeah,
give
yeah.
thanks, give
Yeah.
thanks, give thanks. What was it like growing up doing River Nile, St. Elizabeth?
Well, you know, such you see when you drive in at the place, how the place look.
Yes.
Different. When we say indigenous, meaning like you're there in at the place where people, like their provision
Live
is
off of the
from
land,
farm.
same way.
You understand me? Whichever way, anything what we can get out of Mother Earth, we just
Natural.
do it. If you walk out, that's a man don't think a scallion you buy or tomato or thyme or onion, you name it, we claim it.
Yeah.
So, no, that's right there.
Yes.
So
yes.
it's like, when a man, most of my artist friend them, when I hear say Jah Mason not do farming, I'm like, oh, Jah Mason not do farming. Like, it's like, sure, you don't know my lifestyle. This is what? This is the way I was raised.
Yes.
You understand me? Me used to have a plant before I go to school. When I start high school, when I start go junction after I leave my school up as a prospect.
Yes.
And I go junction secondary. I have to work in the morning, you know.
Before you go to school.
Yeah, and then when we come in again in
go back
the
on the
evening, we
farm.
go sell some cut cake again. Where, you know, say everything I farm, everything I come from same way, and I'm only go to plant piece of potato and where, you know what I say, and
Keep
to
it
make
thing,
ends meet, and them thing they never depart from I and I. And for me to be around and strong and healthy and have a way of life where I can go through and me not do these things was like, would I be like ungrateful even to my generation. Me never talk about my offspring, but
Yes.
the natural generation, not even me youth them me never speak. But me I speak like world. You know, cause remember, you know, we don't only do things for only with children, you know.
Do it for the world.
Yeah.
So the things that you were exposed to growing up are stuck with you.
Yeah,
Them
so
things
it's like
that don't leave you.
me can't depart from it because the people around here they don't do those things. Like,
Yes.
this is what we practice. As I say, it's something where you don't know. And just rise up and do them thing.
Yeah.
A man in time to use them early, I go farm and you see them a come in at the evening and you know, it's like that because there's no really the big factory, not even a factory, a plant, it don't listen to them Alpart. We hire most of them man they get lay off, you know. Alright, now them man they have for us in a them farm.
Gone back to the land.
To the normal stuff. So even as me said, just remember in a life, not even speaking farming, but we are speaking farming.
Yes.
But in life you always have to have plan B. You know that thing that like,
Yes.
if this not work, what me I go do? Me I go plan how me I go. Yeah, you understand? So Because coronavirus is a lesson learned too, you know, it's a dangerous thing, you know, it's a thing where this epidemic make you think like more than twice. So what I really I say is like, even when we, whatever you think about where you really want to get manifested in a life, when you reach to that manifestation point, that's not it. So you can have the ball in your hand and it drop out in it.
Sure.
So me I say, you know, it's like, where for me personally, there's not a vice in a Jamaica or in the industry about plan B and even where I and I even do. We just do this, people see it because, oh, Jah Mason them a Rasta and, but I know that.
Deeper than that.
Way past that, king. Because look what I go on now, because even in the coronavirus, I don't know what work, I don't get no show,
Because not now keep, brother.
Because all of my show them cancel. And I come in and I put in, I crop them and
keep it in
harvest time, I was a happy man. My friend them can tell you, Fantan, Moja, them, Luton, them, the whole of them and them know. Because even Fantan, them do him thing too and them come purchase I and I. You know me I say?
Yes.
Growing, I and I are harvesting. You understand me? And the man them say so the thing is real and the thing is like that. It's not something where we hide from. Every man know, yeah, Jah Mason aka farmer man, and that me do.
So Jah Mason don't feel no way when a man call him farmer?
No man, I don't feel no way. It's like, it motivates me more.
Motivate you more. As you say, your roots at a certain
like when my friend them come and I say, yo, I'm going to go get some skilling and some time and something. And I just like when you know say, we're going to make you bring
get
in
a
something.
package.
I'm Mason and family, they get that off. And,
yeah, man.
You know, like good when I'm there in my house and you don't know food for cooking at the house, whether I'm a youth, I'm a cook or the Empress or cook or I and I go cook. You know what I mean? I say, you just can send
run to the farm
and get some things and you know how your product is being grown.
Makes sense.
Okay, the next thing again, food is important, but some of the food them you have to be careful.
Yes, all fertilizer.
You know, see what, but even at this epidemic, you know how much people will never grow, how much country a ship thing to them, but I not say a bad food, but them don't know how it go.
True, because you don't see it when it grow.
Yeah, because we know about America, how them deal with the shit water food and them sitting there, them big Irish, they're big like your head, they're going to the supermarket and you look on it and you feel there's something nice you pick up and talk about international food and me grow my food and they put it on one bottom shelf and I talk about local. John, one time I wonder, I say, oh, that them do.
Yeah.
But I always know, say, you know, when you really have the good things and it come that way, people don't really, you know, I say, recognize it.
Sure.
But when the thing is big and it's huge, you understand me?
True, so we stay with you as a people, brother.
So we have to just be careful and stop. Look for huge things and big things. Because, you understand me? You can end up with trash.
True.
You understand me?
End up sick too.
Yeah, man. So, you know what I mean?
So, alright, fire me say now. How did the journey of the music come about? How that started?
The music journey, I know.
When did you realize that you have talent music-wise?
No, I know I'm talented from my youth, man. I know, but I mean, it was just to get to the professional part of it.
Okay.
Yeah, because from my youth, you know, school gigs and
Okay.
school thing, you know, and, you know, people that like the thing, but them don't know. I mean, they just like it for like it.
Yes.
But then, you know, when me reach like 16, I'm still in a school, you know, my pre-Rastafari and
From so early?
Yeah, because me there around enough people who are Rasta.
Okay, cool.
And, you know, so when I graduate now, when I graduate when I'm about 17, you know, on my birthday I go come up here. For me 18, and you know, so when I'm 18, I wait after I graduate, I just say, what a vibe, and I just stay so. I know, so I go get Junior read a link. Yeah, because I see a thing in the paper that says, I'm an audition thing. I'm going to go up there, you know. Now, I love Father Reed still, big him up still, but you know, we have to speak about the journey.
Talk to her.
Me can't hide the journey.
Yeah.
And you know, so when we reach a Junior Reed and Junior Reed say, yeah man, and let me through the gate. And send him in there and we go to a youth named Pete, the engineer. And Pete and I say, yes, Father, I'm hot. That's all the man say, because Father Reed never come in, come listen me still, you know.
Listening.
But it's like a Peter, the man where pass away and I say, John, oh yeah man, like that thing there. Man, I say, my heart. I'm dead and but you know, after a while, Father, like, you know, you see, after I go to the studio, I go to
the demo.
The demo. I not go back in the studio for almost 1 month, you know, I can't see in the studio, and at the gate, me there, kick me up, I go and hold the gate.
Are you hot?
No, I just come, man.
Oh, you just come.
No, for the man, they were hot, they were to the in the line.
Yeah.
So you have to know about the industry is like, it's not really a bad thing in the king, because some of them things you have to just laugh and a joy about them things. Because when I go there, I hear how much man go there already and pass through already. And God, you have to have principle, tolerance,
patience,
humbleness, and patience. It's not you just left from country and go to town and you have a bus and them things like that. You know what I'm saying? One at a time. Father Reed, I got Bahamas. Because I still have some love Junior Reed, you don't know, you never know that. You man, I'm a father, but yo, one at a time I stay so. I'm a God. No, Father Reed, forgot Bahamas go do a show, you know. Because Father Reed put out a big, he put out a rhythm, a Yabiyo rhythm, that I'm my first 45 with my voice, you know. It named Selassie. Selassie, I your name me a call. Selassie, me not praise no poor Paul. Selassie, I your name me a call. Selassie, lick them with one thunderball. Me say Selassie, the whole of them get vexed. Yo, you see when me do that?
Yeah.
Like them time that, you know, GT Taylor give you the strength and you can wait up a Thursday night time and so a big show come up now and the man them forgot Bahamas star and the whole of it for going on, Terry Gansey and the whole of it. But Father Reed tell me say me I go going on. And King, you go tell the whole of my family in my country say me I go fly out. Yo. The morning come, no ticket no come for me, I don't know what.
Yeah.
Father Reed, I cuss the promoter to you know and say, yo, when you make the artist ticket come and rare, I different things still, you know, but I just show you the thing that when we go through. But anyway, them go through with them thing and then end up and then go do the show and come back in and me still there the studio did the car. Run and Father Reed me there, you know, I sleep, you know. In the studio, you know, on the floor, on the carpet, you know. On the carpet, I say, you know, you can ask him, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, him say a lie. Him not gonna say a lie though, because him know say around them youth. Come never have me working. I try to look. To see how I can further my talent and there's I don't have the money or evening time to go home. You understand what I mean? So it's like I'm in base for a while and then one day I meet Jack here now.
I am pure.
You understand me?
Yeah.
And when I meet Cape and I link you and I tell him say, yo, if I'm Junior Reed around a Tony Rebel me there, because Tony Rebel and my family too, I know you know that.
As in biological?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Cousin, man. And just up as I come from, you know, upon hill. I'm a stay, so and I do some little thing for Tony Rebel. But one day, Kira just carry me go link with Prophet now, because so the evidence was coming in now. I said, no, so I go. I go Papil. Kira bring me up and said, meet me at Papil. I reach at Papil and Kira carry me down at the evidence, but down at the evidence now. Prophet never did down there yet, him there up on the road. Up and baby mother he asked. I decided so I wait for him out there on the front, you know. So I know so some man out there and tell Prophet, say, yeah man, keep it on more, you listening. Yo, I start. Yo, first time king. I hear something. Yo, I sing for the king from board. 1 o'clock till 2 o'clock, yo, God. Yo, man, can you like the vibes? You know, I suck on me.
That's what I said.
King, I sing, you know, brother, and I tell you, say, me a freestyle, and when I don't write, me a freestyle, and I just say, yo. I suck on me, so you see when I drop a day with us now, I'm more like a university me going on. Because you see them time there, seeking the part where Rastafari, you have to bright. You have to read. And you have some people that come on a challenge and they like, I don't know, them think a school challenge quiz and we and them knowledge, yeah. Because Prophet is a man who read enough.
Yeah.
Believe me, you know. And you read enough, you know. Bless him up still because he's a man where him and my brother, but he come like him and my father too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because him and the man will teach me like the business aspect of this industry. Because Jah Mason never really they have a manager and them thing there, you know. No, sir, them never want to take me. They never want to use me, King.
Why?
I don't know. Because I never have the attitude they were. Not a bad attitude, you know, but I guess they wanted me to have a dirty attitude, you know, and then after a while now, I say, oh, that go with the business, but them think they can't go with it, because you see a Rastafari thing.
Yes.
So, after that now, you know, we link David House, as me tell you, it's like a university to me. All of the people that come link, we eat together, we stay together, we pray together. You know the whole togetherness and the knowledge, Prophet, and it down to we, and you don't know Kolonji, a family same way. So the whole of we grow in that era there as, you know what I say,
yes.
The 90s generation and the 90s youth them were rise. You know, so it's so, you know, then after a while you don't know you're there on the Prophet, you get inspired by even him work when do. I'm not telling a lie, enough inspiration them you again and whether people are going to accept it or not. You know, because you know, say as a earth said, some are going to do and some are going to don't. But I won't, me do, me accept it. You understand me? Because I'm not going to be ungrateful.
Yeah.
You see me?
So watch out, only the Selassie I say the advice on Jonah?
No, man, my advice couple more song man and them go out, man. But just show you, so that was like,
yeah,
to put my name out there. Them time, them don't name Jah Mason, my name Perry Mason.
Perry Mason. What the Perry Mason thing come about?
My whole lady call me Perry, man. And so when I go to school, any little thing happen me is like the lawyer for the thing, and me try the case them, and me and the youth where. So that's how me get the name. So I go town with that the name there.
Perry Mason.
Yeah. You see me? So after David House journey and not after David House journey, David House, as me tell you, was like a university. So it's like, me I see big producer where I come link Prophet and still I link me to, and me I said, sure, yeah, the thing I grow.
Yes.
Cause, you know, with knowledge and the whole, you know, me I say, Rastafari, way of life, and we're going out there, we're meeting people and other producers, and so I end up and meet the brethren in here, roll it, cause me and Jackie already done Vice, Run Come Love Me tonight.
So your Vice at Run and Jonah or David House?
No man, I went with that David House, Berries a man now, Kiro can go meet Berries. And we go on a Silver Vice that run an Akiwa.
Yeah.
Sil. Yeah. And after my record that now, that are the one of the big hit them now I carry out upon the road.
So that was
now.
your first hit song?
Yeah.
So whose idea was the song?
No man, me have other hit song before that.
Before that?
Remember me tell you something, end up around a Tony Rebel also.
Yeah, oh, so you did some things when I told you.
Yeah, man.
So which were the big songs before Run Come Love Me?
Money them a run down.
Money them a run down. Remind me of that song then.
Yeah man. Tell me for the money them a run down. Why them really go bow down? Judgment and them don't look to the east. Tell me for the money them a run down. Why them really go bow down? Judgment and I know them no see it. And me Allah say judgment. And them don't know where judgment appear from. Boy must he take Rasfi Bali fear and I'm like Job and I'm like Aaron. Man and a father Albert. Man and father Abraham. Yeah man, then Flame School, because I remember say, me tour before enough of them youth, when you say I said them a tour, okay?
Yeah.
Then I go on tour with Tony Rebel, man. And at them time, man, I think 1997.
Yeah.
Or 1998, King. The first tour I go on and I was like, yo, me I'm telling you, me I thought the whole of everything went on. You know, so when me go on tour, King. Because, see, you don't understand the thing. I'll be honest, I know I'm a young artist and at the time Rebel just give me a run and I never know what kind of deal them make because him claims that him a manage me and whenever we really make an agreement as a young youth, like when you see them young artists here rise and I do certain things, it's like now a young artist rise, you know them have their manager and they negotiate for them.
Yes.
Me I go up on the road as a young youth, no negotiation never make. But anyway, in my mind me I say I go take peace out it.
Yeah.
And I know I say I end up on stage so and go out there. We go up on the tour and it was like a 8 weeks tour too, you know. 8 weeks in a Europe, you know, can remember I know me a youth, you know. I was 20, I didn't know 21 or 22, you know. Alright. Me, Tony Rebel, Sugar Black and Leban Color. And I think was it Youth and Green? I don't remember the next verse now, but anyway. And I tell you, say, we do like 8 weeks out there. And, King, you see, every night, me are the young artist, you know, I mean, open the show, you know. And you see, show me go, put on a fire. I tell you, say, well, I'm busting on here. And I tell me, I say, that this, you know, you're young, I know, this. And I tell you, say, King, I open the show, and when regular close the show, the man still call me back on. So
open and close.
So just watch the energy and the effort that we put out. And so when we reach after we done the whole 8 weeks there, and I said, I don't get some little dub thing in between and thing about me. I said, a nice piece of food there for me to come to Jamaica. So when we reach Jamaica after 8 weeks, my lad, 600 US the man give me, you know. Me, I tell you. Yeah, man, no, but me ask him and he tell me, say, the whole thing going on expensive, you know, my lad. Yo, right, though.
Really?
Yeah, because, man, you see, true as me, I say, I don't understand them things, the king, in a those time, king, in here, I tell you. I'm not afraid for that, them things, man. I feel like
6 bills.
Rebel's not a man who can see me and jerk me up, you know. Because Rebel know me thing, you know, me can't.
So you never asked about it?
No, I never really asked. I just collect what I have, because I never have no power over the thing them time, because I show you, say, I never have no manager, him I do it with him thing, and him know what I do. Says that maybe it go in at my expense. Because after I go in the industry now, I go learn about these things, about the expense and what come out of the tour money and what come out of this, so no man can't fool me no more.
Yeah.
You understand? That's why if you want me to sing on the stage, I send a contract come give me. And them things. And my thing, I don't talk thing no more like, yeah man, me I come, just put the picture on it. Yeah man, me not do them thing no man.
So you step away from Rebel then?
I know step away from them. We can do business, but them from them time there, it teach me how to go out there and go learn. Me I try learn about the thing. I understand me and try. Me try offer some people who say manage the thing, but they never. It not happen. The way how it happen.
So you left from Reed, go around a Rebel, then from Rebel go David House.
No man, when me there, Rona Reed, and between Rona Reed and Rona Rebel, remember some tell us that them two, them the near around there, so Pembroke and just don't have Reed place down out of where you call around there, so you know.
Cool no man.
Yeah. Down a Dunrabin.
Dunrabin,
Yeah.
okay.
So you're not far enough. So, walk them time, you know, them time you don't care not about like where you see car.
Yeah.
You know, nothing not there for me, not bus.
Yeah, so them time there, I walk.
Yeah, I walk, so you know me have freestyle, anywhere me can go. All the vibes just so me go over there, so cause so every artist in the street whenever I bus.
Yeah, look it.
Just a walk around. The industry is a thing where, you understand me? You leave your family or country and say, yeah, I got a town, go bus. Like a something you can go pick up. And the thing, you know, when we go learn about the industry, you know, it's cruel to, you know.
Yeah.
But I feel like it's a nice thing, you know.
What's
a man might see it and feel say something nice, them are going to take up on them head if I take them out, take it up. So that's why I say me deal with it. Me as a man, I don't live out of the industry, I live off of the industry. I try to be creative, because I am what I am. Because I'm self-sufficient. You understand me? I say, so if music doesn't work financially, a plan B. You understand me? I'm a farm where always I work and Sometimes, you know, we have rough storm and you understand me, we have bad
Drought
weather
and them something there.
drought, but
Pests and them look good things.
the industry sometimes you have that also.
Yeah, drought and bad weather.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So I did thing I know more time when we speak and I'm say John, well, then him have to talk all of them things about, you know, don't know man like me have to speak them things because to where me I come from King and me come see me govern the thing for my own and I deal with it. So I say then if me didn't know the thing from them time then I do it for my own, I would have been a far away and could help a lot of people. A lot more than what I'm helping now. You understand me?
So what are some of the experiences then where you have down the years where you said the business is a mess?
You know, when we say the business is a mess, the business part of it is a mess, and the music and a mess, and the business and the third party nigga them, you know, and them brother there, you know, and them girl there, and them who I do the thing, you know. Because them try some alliance thing, like for example, when we go to Europe, I learn a lot of things. Yeah. Like, you live in Europe and you're telling somebody in Jamaica you need these artists, you need a Anthony B, you need a whatever, whoever. The individual you talk to, I go tell you, say, no, here what you do. Me can give you a package. But the crowd, the man asks the package for it, the crowd not fit the package. But because the person behind the scene is a hustler behind the thing, them change the thing and give it for it's like for a cheaper price. And the person start think money now and not the future. You over some of that?
Yes, man.
Like, them take him off for the positive track now and do one different thing now and then the thing change up and then, you know, when you go out, they go work for these people and know them people there say, you know, me didn't want to and them people there say, Ray. Them, some of them things, they can't manage it and, you know.
Yes.
So, I mean, these are some of the things that disgust me, you know them way I mean, like them things are not real and you know them not give you the glory where you're supposed to get when you go out there in the world and you see people that give you it, I wonder and I say, really? What have I done to these people are you understand me? Some more time that's why I'm not sing around here, no king. When you see me I sing or I do nothing around here for the people and I do it from my heart or I've been paid. Or me I do it for the view, some benefit. Any farmer benefit, but around here, so King, you have to know. Then when you hear some artists do them things, but me no have no time for go ball. Said a man support me thing, cause me would tell a lie. Me no have a support problem or a play song problem. You know? Yes. Don't get that wrong, you know.
Yes.
Me and the whole like this Jackie them good. But me I tell you about the way these people who control this thing around here, who call the shots for the thing. I want different thing I go on, King.
Yeah.
Can you see what I go on? The man them have kill off them and another have them have do one bag of thing when them fair go on. Because of the way the thing where them try put the industry one way. You know what them way there? You think more of my youth them for come grow up them way there and act like them are idiot. No, it not go work. I don't care what a man do, me I go try to put it in my head. I don't care what a girl do, that a female girl and the man them when me I talk about, my youth them. My offspring me I talk about.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
The song now run come because a huge song that yes, sir.
Yeah, man, as me I tell you, say, we there David House and, you know, every rhythm we hear, you know, like a man that bring a rhythm come get the profit and we just try find something on the rhythm too.
Yes.
So we always build songs and, you know, him a sing and me a chant.
Yes.
You know them way there. And, you know, one at a time, like even couple show where we go up and me and him up on the stage together. You always see Jah Mason, Jah Mason. You know, so we always have that thing there. Until, as me I said, you know, after I graduate and I do him thing, you don't know, it's like every man depend on them own, but we still sing.
Makes sense, yes. So the song came about because under the studio meds and I never sit down and say, yo, we are going to do a song together.
We already have the lyrics, you know.
Oh, yeah, that? Oh, okay. You did have the lyrics?
Yeah, man, we already have the lyrics, man. I'm just have theme part, man.
Yes.
Because I'm a man like that, you know.
Yeah.
Quick thing.
Quick.
You know, yeah. Yeah, man.
Give me your part right now, man. At least one
The
verse.
princess need a royal prince. The queen them need a loyal king. The princess need, the queen them need, the princess need, the queen them need a loyal. Cause them no want no lady, no big belly man like him a go a baby. Them want me stew, them no want no gravy. Them link Jah Mason, them run with Swabby, a the bubble man them chill with. Under this shady, and I know if and this and no but and this I want and no maybe. They no want no West girl, no Brady. Ancient Rasta face, baby. So pass me the. I tell them, so run, come love me tonight. Mad tune, man. Big tune.
A 3 verse after that song, brother.
Yeah, man. Big tune.
And one whole song that by itself, you know.
One whole song, man, like a big tune out in the world, man.
So when that song that dropped, that became your biggest tune at the time.
Yeah, at that time.
So it made more people you know the Mason.
Same way.
At that time, it still go Perry Mason or Jah Mason.
No, man, Jah Mason,
so
man.
when the Jah come in at the thing.
Now when we got David House, man.
Oh, so it's turned from Perry to Jah Mason. So at the man them tell us to do that. So based on the David House situation now, you take off the Perry.
Yeah.
And jump on the Jah Mason.
Same way.
Yeah,
just
works
dash with that and work with the real father.
Yeah, man. So what a tune they do for you now, though?
No, man. People know where, man. Start know where, man. People are know where come start. We're flying.
Yes. Can you say that for a long time?
We go on a charter flight. We go on a David House, Bahamas, you know. The whole David House, you know. Over 20 other way flying at one time, you know.
Yeah.
Plus the bandman, you know.
What was that experience like, though?
I'm great, a joy, man. The whole of we fly, man, from Jack Cure to military man to Jack Thunder to the liquor. You remember the liquor you put them Jamal and Jamal?
Yes.
You say 20 other we fly, man, the chef, man. Everybody, man.
Chef Madala for your chef?
Yeah, man. I want to tell you, say, 2 chef King fly with that time.
2 chef?
Yeah, man. Because 2 Ruben fly, you know.
That I chef them?
Yeah. Like keep them playing the way they do. A great man, you know, kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the prophet.
What is prophet like as a person, though, as a man? Outside of the music?
Yo, I want to tell you, man, them man, they are a good youth, man. Them man, a nice person, man, between me and him, man. He's a man where him like him, him domino, him like him, you know, him do him fishing and him like, you know, he's a man where him humble, him different.
Yes.
Just like how you see we in a way. Time, you know, it's a different youth still, you know, I say more than, you know, I say the man is more than a father to the youth, them and the community.
Yes.
People in their own, so, you know, I mean, the man they're more humanitarian person. The man they care for people, just like real care plus tax.
Yeah. Yes, sure, that's where I come from, man. The man is money to give back to the people.
No, negative, nothing. Any man come with a negative, I put him up, add him and add it.
Yes.
You know, like you pass and drop piece of tissue a man gate where I always clean. Yeah.
After Rod Come Love Me to that, which was the next song where Kick Down Your Place.
Yeah. After Run Come Love Me Tonight now, you know, so I start the album.
Okay.
Yeah, I start some album now.
Still at David House?
Yeah, man. I'm them amongst a youth named Vikings. Yeah. And then now we are get to know people now, because I spread my wings and I work with a lot of producers. You know. So come now, after I start the couple album now, I'm going to meet this youth and Bull Puss.
Yeah, man. Oh, Bull Puss, bro.
Then we meet Rolly, the producer of the Princess Gone. You know, when Princess Gone, I did advise it for Bull Puss, and the engineer I tell me, say, no.
What you mean?
Yeah, man. So you want me to know now? My voice one, next one, when you Keep Your Joy for you.
Keep Your Joy.
Come here, I pray to you, and I say, alright, so I say, no, that's it.
What do you mean, say, man? Tell us.
No, it never, I don't know if I mesh it now, mesh. The engineer, where advise it.
Yeah.
Come here, advise Princess Gone for the next rhythm. You know,
oh, for the next rhythm.
And if I feel him now, I feel it, but it. So it's like, I said, in the evening now, I mean, to meet up with the brethren in here and roll it. And yo, I'm begging brethren, him next engineer friend Vice, I'm an engineer friend Vice, you know.
Yeah.
Do the studio time with me, you know. Vice it. Man, I say I feel it. Yeah, man, for real, man. Because here, what with that song there, Princess gone, it not go number one at Jamaica first, and at Trinidad, me go
Trinidad first.
At 2 times it go number one at Trinidad.
Yeah.
So it's like, the people them acknowledge it, like, you know, and then when you for the news reach Jamaica, I don't know what.
Yeah.
And it just go number
And
one.
just take on to it.
Yeah.
So that tune there was just a vibe you all nice studio, a real life story.
No, man, a real life story, man. When I go up on tour and come back, man, and my woman cut up the whole of my shoes, them, man. Cut up my shoes, them, yeah, so. Cut them, so. So I can't put on back none of them. Them all look away. Tell me, I said, John, man. Me go deep, you know, God.
So why you should do that though, BS?
No jealous vibes, man, like somebody just tell her something, man.
Or you do something, man.
No, man, I don't remember somebody on tour.
You see, you can't do
You
what
never
song
talk
she
every
hear,
day, you
man.
know.
Eh.
And she do it and I tell me that she left the ends, you know. Yeah, man, a real thing, me I tell you, man.
So when you come here, you see her. You don't see your shoes them.
And one note. Yeah.
Where do it say? Or you can't
So
tell.
she gone, no, man, she gone her yard, man. So
Gone her yard.
very about, yeah. You know what I say? You don't know what people stay, man, with jealous vibes, man. I don't know. But go past them thing there and
Yeah.
they don't know everything.
How you do with the shoes them?
Them couldn't do nothing. We don't give a bridge in them, man. Some look up homeless youth, well.
Yeah.
Because we couldn't wear them there again.
So that,
You understand me?
so that was a motivation.
Yeah, that was the motivation, you know what I say? I mean, that inspired me to write that song.
Yeah.
And after that, to write all it more
More of a song.
and,
Yeah.
you know.
But that is a song that people probably identify with you. The quickest still.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Mm.
I'm going to go to Europe and people that sing that word for word. You know?
Word for word.
Like I them write it.
The Empress, where you sing the song about, all things, you know good?
Well, she gone far away and I live her life, but yeah, man.
Yeah.
She wish she did get it.
Yeah.
Like, she never did take that out there when she did it.
Good way, yeah, so and she know how she write
Yeah, man.
the song about. So she don't ask about it?
Huh?
She don't ask about it?
About what?
This song? Where you write about her, that song for?
The song that did man, and me if you ask her about it. Yeah, man, she talks about it, man, she talk about it. You think I joke? Yeah, man, and in real life she talk about it. Man.
Big a piece right there, man.
Yo, then, yo, my princess gone, far, far away. And she left me a note saying she's gone to stay. Yeah,
Mad.
crazy, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so,
yo,
so inspiration can come from anything, brother.
you know, it man tell you, man,
Mad thing.
a reality, man, an inspiration, and
Yeah.
it work.
But our next gear that you find this in a Mason.
Then I hit me and tell you, man, it's a next gear.
Hold it more door, kick down, you know.
Hold it more door. No, man, no kick down, build up.
Build up.
Yeah.
Hold it more door, build up. Yeah. Makes sense. Me so yeah.
Yeah, man, you don't know.
See? So that now
Yeah, that was awesome.
push you further than what you did there at the
Yeah,
time.
man, definitely, man. Definitely.
More
Some places when
producers.
we go, some places when we go, the princess gone, I don't want the people them know. Tell me if I say one song, I don't know. And when they find out my catalog, that I'm just like,
Yeah,
oh my
because
God.
many people associate that and probably the Jah Cure and them say, well, me serious are tune them there. Because them don't know the catalog like that.
ah, them know my catalog different, man. My catalog even bigger than enough people catalog out.
Yes. So then now, musically, what came after my princess gone though? In terms of work and songs with connect again and them something there.
Like from that, I don't stop tour. And what came after that, all of the things them were Jah bless me with. And so that's why I say, I can't do like some people and I don't want to go dep on a video and me a ball and I say the man them nah, give me no justice. Because if I go here and say I'm not get no justice, I know I'm going to get it, you know. I'm not going to create justice, man. Yeah, because, I mean, when one door is closed, another one is open.
Yes.
So me not have no time to tell them, King, you don't know. So me not have no time to come tell you or go on like you're going to make me waste my energy to tell you when me could have do something else with my energy and my time. So them things they pass, those things. If somebody never do something, man, you understand me?
If I pray them.
Cool that man, car.
Think bigger than them, you know.
Yeah, because me can't go big and the man where I go say the industry treat me unfair because I never get a Grammy or I never nominated for Grammy or a Fisher or a Bammy. Or no. I mean, do what you're doing. I mean, me I go allow that to you because I mean me I do great works.
Yes.
So me not go say, yo, give me more likes or give me more. Come on now, why would I want to do that? Just do your thing, man, and just keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
The right way and just be you 100% behind you. Because me are the man behind me, you know, kid. The next one can't be behind me, you know.
No, that don't make no sense.
You understand what I say?
Yeah, that's what I say.
Yeah, you understand what I say?
Yeah. The producer, brother, we never did a feel for Princess God. You never ever raise about it after it.
How man, him good man?
Yeah, man, we figure that. But him not, like, you know, some man beat up themselves when them say Jah.
No man, he run joke with it, man, and I say, John, I him dead for
I did have a song there.
Yeah. So as me I tell you, say, no, I'm me the person where I deal with my thing. You understand me? So, everything what you see, the creation, yeah, how we are created.
Yes.
And I have to go beat up my lip on the media and I talk about me feel bigger than how me is and you know that thing there.
You see it regular, man.
And no. Yeah, so me for dead. I've right where part me there and you know what though? Me no need crowd in my thing. Cause me done happy. And when you come see say it's a happy Mason when you come see and I like when you come see me and him look like him.
And the Mason still have bill?
Him pop down.
Yeah.
The thing me having face locked down.
Yes.
So me I say, yeah, I just enjoy man about it man and it's like when we as musicians somehow when we do that thing here, like we lose focus about the mission where we really depend.
Yes.
You understand? Cause me, as me tell you, me see myself, me just using music as a transportation to do that thing and make some man know say if you do something to and buy a little piece of land and little piece of thing them. You know them little thing there? Cause when them thing happen, cause the thing kinda set away and cause see the whole thing gonna happen and one all the government me cry shame of them king cause every country try to assist them musicians and them artists and because some of them really don't have it because they never have no plan B. You can't blame them. Because in a reggae you don't have no vice.
But you can't blame the government for a man and no plan B, Mason.
Eh?
You can't blame the government for that. A man for having plan B, government for have a plan B for you.
But what I say, them should have them things set aside still.
Yeah.
For the man them where they make the mistake now. If you mistake man them, you understand what I say?
Yeah. But Jah, when I next thing, but before you even go further,
it's like a man.
When a man make money, see?
Yeah.
For the man when they make money, them now do not for the youth them around them, you know. So why should somebody do something for the man there when nothing now go on for you?
Well, you have a point too. Yeah, you have a point. Yeah, that's the next thing again, as me I said. Can we come back around to the plan B thing?
Yeah.
But still, the government, the message is also for him. Him should have plan B too.
Yes.
Because I see him people, I see him artists, them are so influential and I would like to come give support.
Yeah, that's what you answer still, brother. You understand what you answer about?
No, because I have to check it that way there too.
No, but I understand so you have to check it that way, but you still have to check it the other way too still.
Which is right, because we have to look on two sides of the coin.
Yeah, man, because some man, when they eat food, nobody else not really eat no food.
Truly.
You understand? So when I say you shouldn't take my food and give a man who never give me none of him food. That's how me view the things.
Yeah.
But I understand what you say, I get what you say.
So I couldn't go cry over spilling milk. Let me go say, I'm not play Jah Mason enough for I'm not say too much of me in the media.
Yes.
So it's like the person, them man, the way you hear them thing that is about the media.
Yes.
And not about the message.
The message.
You understand me that?
Yeah.
Because you quarrel about media and this and that and come on man, it's so much important because life is not all about what I'm thinking or that
Yes.
reaching thing and all. Cause no, but the money alone I have 5 hot girl in my drop top Benz and what about when the day over?
Some man
The day I got done in
some man has to far, brother.
Remember I think about
Some
that.
man can't see past the Benz, brother. They don't realize the road down there too. They say Benz broad so in front
Some
of
more
them.
while we have for us, no sir. The thing even bigger than that and more important than that, Jack.
Yeah.
That's why I show you say we need to, instead of we as musicians sing about things that we have, we need to motivate people to go have things.
Yes. Brilliant. Well said.
You know what I say?
Mm-hmm. Some man are buying into your hype and I lose the focus, as they say. But glad you mentioned the government.
Yeah, they don't so then right now, they don't them way them I say.
Yeah, because we know so the David House crew still, I fire them and they burn straight,
Yeah.
non-stop. See?
Never stop.
You did have that fire burning thing there now before you got
Yeah,
David House, or you got David House and the fire the light up.
We go there, go light the fire, man. We dead, man. We're dead there. All the way up Kangle stick, man.
Yes. And you made mention of the government just now. In the music, you have songs where you really and truly, social commentary speak out against industry, like Evil System. Yeah? Songs like, I think the song name, Someone Tell Me Why. See, so you've been
And that me I
hit
tell
out
you, Jah.
against the system from them time.
Long time that man, I tell you, man. Long time, because we're against the negative part of the system, because the whole of the system rigged, but you understand me? Because we know we have to do with part of the system.
Yeah, you have to deal with the system.
From
Yeah,
point A
man,
to point
you can't go around the
The whole
system.
system is rigged.
Yeah.
You understand me? That's why we, if just come together and deal with the thing, but the one each and other thing there. You know?
Yes.
Where segregation, because man I say them man they are Rasta, man I say them man they are bald and the thing now fix the way to fix, because too much right now too much segregation I think I know king, and the man them fight for too much power in our industry. In our music. Yeah.
But you think that will ever change, Joe Mason?
No, to what me say, as me tell you again, most things where you see man, them don't know and do it, and them just do it for media purpose, you know. That man I tell him, say, yo, are you feel the hype, you know, that man there, the hype man, and that man, they share the wedding last week, you know.
Man about someone.
What that have to do with me? Well, if I go on a wedding, I'm going to buy a bottle of Hennessy, I'm going to buy a bottle of champagne.
Your choice.
That don't make me less of who me is.
Yes.
Because I have them things that I'm yard. So I like, so I'm gonna look, it's like if you talk about, yeah, you want me to support the event, it's totally different, but we talk some different way and we not, get the thing the way it's supposed to be. So, most of the artists, them, have some money just want to bust to buy a car, that's what they want to do, and they just want to bust to have some money for show off on them friend or do that thing there. Left himself around and lane around this and everything around.
Yeah. One of the songs over there talk about look while we kind of speak out against the system is Tell Me Why.
Evil System. Oh.
No, we talk about Evil System, but Tell Me Why I want peace. Because that song kind of resonated with me on a different level.
Yeah, man. You know, me I see like even in African community, most of the poor people them I feel it right now. Because more time I say, I want that because enough of people who really don't have a job, and true. Man like me go out there in the world and kind of have, I wouldn't say a bigger opportunity or get a bigger opportunity, but
You have been blessed.
yeah, let's say that. So, more time you have to think, because me know the people I'm struggling, I think.
Yes.
Because
grew up in a struggle.
then I tell you something, I have to know it, so I mean, I one of them thing there. That's why me even more time I like say, me can't go do handout, but me do my best. Me try create something, me try create job for you, them try run a farm, them and make a man can get $1, and all the things set already, I me try.
So I try to play your part.
Do some medicinal and get some money for run it off, and
Yeah,
we just do what we do, King.
makes sense.
Because we know what we do, so why not? Come out and you know, talk what you are doing. That's why I tell you, so, you know, see, you are the first man who interview me, so you're blessed. You're the first man as a vlogger who ever
get the opportunity.
Notice, me never get none of them things.
Give thanks, brother. I appreciate that.
I tell you that, you are the first man in the whole history of all of the Facebook thing and them thing there. And you see me Planet King is a foreign. And I'm gonna interview me and I'm not vlogger or nothing. I'm gonna just take a thing and put it on the YouTube. Yeah. Officially, at the item of the first man ever find me like this and see when you come find me in my yard.
It's a joy.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks. I
Believe
appreciate
because, you know, because really and truly, some of the things them when me see, upon the thing, it not really
uplifting.
It's not like I'm gonna tell him life story or it not uplifting.
Yeah.
Some of them, some of the things, I'm sorry if I say, but the man them for us loud that and do something more uplifting and you know, cause this I gotta just make the thing get more all we youth them. Cause some of the songs them when I see man them I try vice and at them time I wonder, I say, really? Like, I don't know.
No.
We have a fix up at earlier by ourselves, you know, you think all them government talk we are making them.
Oh, we have to fix ourselves.
Without the people, them is nothing.
Sure.
May I tell you? Because them not see nothing yet, you know, because you see if them people here decide say them are get up a morning and them are go walk up and you know say them people are kinda Jamaican people. We're more support negative things than positive.
That is so
things.
true, brother.
We're
the
so
reality,
quick.
man.
Listen, now. We are so quickly to respond
For negativity.
than the positivity.
That's true because I do a video talk about a man do something around here, son. See, we're positive. Not enough people don't watch it. If you do something, some sussa go and some gossip down there, sir, this a man at it, a viral video that you know, brother.
So I love what they are them I do still and you know. I appreciate love it. You know, and this will motivate people, I mean, to do even more positive things and, you know,
to give
more
thanks.
upliftment to what I do and everybody can take up a duty. Yeah, I want
True
big
that.
thing to take up because I'm on the one flood the net with something that are really relevant, but as me I said, the more important issues in life.
Try adjust them things.
They're not them things, man. See right now election are running, okay?
Yes.
And some different things them are done with the people them for now till when the man go in and see to whoever win, you know, and them start over back again, you know.
Yeah.
Done with people, you know. Because things when we hear them I tell the public not to do. And me I see them I do it. So
Yeah.
it's like pastor preach what you practice what you preach.
Yeah.
So tell me why big heads are pressure poor people. Tell me what more you want we do. Tell me why big heads are pressure poor people. Tell me what more you want we do.
Mad thing. Mad.
Yeah man, come out and you have to, me don't have no mic to go out there and go tell the people them so I know how to send it in our music way where them not listen still in a
Some people listen, man. So
think so?
I listen and listen
no,
to
me not
man.
talk like fans and the eye them. Me not talk
The system.
Andrew them and the brethren them man. If you say them man they go listen to
Him have years in the street to certain
different
things,
man
man.
them depend man.
Different flip.
You say a bro God thing the man them depend and anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, them meds there, I want different, but I feel say everyone where you see in there so through them talk with respect and just learn this about politicians. Politicians are just some normal people where they there in the street and they get money and can get in the system and them have their education or whatever, which we are by them way through and get in there. And normal people them. And people them where they are before them, excuse me language.
Yeah man, we cut out that one.
And people them would do idiot thing before then going at the thing. So them not because a man come here and say him feel remorse for the bad things that happen, but it make them like pretend to be what they are not. it's just, when you see them, it's a different thing.
Mm.
You have to put on cheap clothes and enough to make the thing look like.
Yeah, the old.
The way you see it, they can't tell me that.
Yeah.
I know what going on, man.
It look like your experiences play a great role in the songs that you write or voice.
Yeah, because everything
Yes.
we go through enough, you know, Jah.
Yeah. I remember
Yeah.
you made mention say mommy was always there. You know, I do some little things,
Yeah.
the food can go up on the table. You have a song named Mama Work Hard.
Yeah, and me think of the one, we have a new one too, when you won't make it.
Won't make it.
They used to say that I won't make it, but I proved them wrong. And all the obstacles I face it, I know I'm all so strong. Can't forget where me I come from, hatta when me run pan, dolly house and bun pan. No shoes, I carry water for the jump on, and then me walk from Prospect over Junction. Figure attend a school function, mommy never make me malfunction, cause me so strong, so strong. They used to say that I won't make it, but I proved them wrong. All the obstacles I face it. Yeah, man, I'm a thing, man.
Vice already.
Vice already, man. Me have it forgive you, man. Me have it.
You prove them wrong for true.
I will tell you.
Give that.
Yeah, man, I reality, man.
Give me a piece of the Mama Work Hard.
Yeah.
And that true, there's a different tune.
Alright, see that tune, you know?
Yeah.
Hard Mama Work. How which one you talk?
Hard Mama
song,
Work.
you know?
Hard Mama Work is song name, man.
Papa there on the street.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. But remember, some have a next one. And I say, Mama, wipe those tears from your eyes, take you one from your Kimbo. Today you down, I saw the thing go. Say one day you a go bingo, no living in limbo. Wipe those tears from your eyes, take you one from your Kimbo. Today you down, I saw the thing go. Say one day you a go bingo, no more living in limbo.
Mad.
I cry, you cry. Yeah, man, come and love my mother. And
I realize, man. And the other
You
one
see the one
was,
where I talk?
yes.
Look how hard mama work, while papa him there street and astray. But mama just hold the faith and go down on her knee, and she don't stop from pray. Me I tell you, say yeah, hard mama work, while papa him there street and astray. But mama just hold the faith and go down on her knee, and she don't stop from pray. As for mama, me say she really have it hard, especially when a time for she pay the landlord. Yeah, man.
Yes, I am.
Thing, man.
Big tune.
All of them I think that, all of them they struggle there.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause it's good when you can, you know, speak where you come from, cause you
Part
know,
of your man.
some people don't even know where they come from.
Mm.
So they really can't speak.
Yes.
When you don't know where you're going, you're not going to know where you're going from. Yeah?
Music, probably, when I look upon it, Mason, hard for some man, because some man will get a hit song and he never buys one next song with it. But you have tune.
Yeah, cause as me I tell you now,
True,
you
true,
want to know
true.
that. As me tell you, you see, no disrespect, but you see, oh, me see music now. Can't remember, you know, I do music, you know, from a tender age still. I say a younger age, and I know about high bias cassette. I know about 16 track and 24 track. And I know about still CD coming and some next little sitting when I say a Europe where they come in. So, now for the youth I really don't know the thing like that, you know, because music becomes so
Digital,
no, that's not the word I want to use. It's like you have a quick pass now where you're not for once upon a time you want the music.
School.
Once upon a time you want the music. You have to go learn the engineer work, you know, and go in there and go book the or you go book a studio time at town, you know.
Yeah.
For record a man, you know. Now, through the youth, them smart on the gadget, a man can just go up on the computer and him, you know, the computer help you build a thing.
Yeah.
And you build a rhythm, man. You build the rhythm and you just call a man in your bedroom and you just voice a thing and it, you put it on the internet the next morning and it go out. And now the youth I think say, oh, so my voice this. No, my voice is, I buy a Mark X, you know, or a bim or a, you know. So it's not like he must sing for we not this youth, I mean we're glad how them thinking about them to think more than that. Like not just for sing, just for gain a piece of property or something. It sing for it be a long term thing, so even your youth can tomorrow
benefit from it.
No, can come sing over your song.
Oh.
So make sure say you understand me I say and think that way then so it is a long term thing.
Yeah.
So even if you don't make something from it, you
Next generation.
your generation, your offspring will come even use it then. Use it no man, one piece of tool when they have when we never get to use it because through coronavirus and the thing get rusty and it there same way.
Yeah.
You understand me? So use it up.
Makes sense, brother.
Like for example, Bob Marley pick them come use up the thing them and it work.
A lot, brother.
So I mean use it up to the man called Greater David, Greater Son, and I have some great people that run in the earth too. You know,
Greater
like
David,
too,
greater son.
Yes. So you know what I'm saying? Them think they work.
Yes,
So,
brother.
I mean, we need to, if we think that way then, and think, you know, positive. Go the youth them on the way where them for go.
Yeah.
Like make them the godly way there. Because youth them nowadays, you know, true, them don't know God still and them not think that way there, you know. And them don't know say God has something where you live, you know. Or maybe them look out of themselves for God. And so the thing going about true man of right is God and men of wrong is Satan. So it's like the confusion is there in earth because when you have something and you look for it, you know, like me have my lighter, you know. But
Yeah, I look for it.
You know, so yeah, so it's like you have it, so don't look for it. You know what I'm saying? Or him there so you see God when me see him, I see God because he's a man of him, the right thing. So I see God with him because if the creator will make you in his own likeness and his own image, that means alright. And that brand there, man. That brand there, you come out and then you come out.
God brand.
Yeah, no God brand, man. And not a Satan brand.
That deep, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mason have been all around the world.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
Where's your favorite place to perform?
Well, we go some place you know, we perform for some big Deva crowd still, but if I say that no, where my favorite place?
The place they look forward to going back there, you know, the energy right, the people, them, the love, flow.
Truly great still. Everywhere I go, still them show me love still. I never go one place where them being negative. Maybe you have negative people there, but they're not showing their negativeness.
Yes.
But you see in Europe and some place, you have some truly great crowd at them place there. And around some place where I go. Even some Caribbean place.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know in the Caribbean, you know, Trinidad and them place there and Bahamas, they have great love there. And like, I'm going to the whole of Caribbean then. And then we go out there in the world. Like, we're going to the whole of Europe still, but we have a big fan base in Germany and France.
Yeah.
Enough other places too in Europe, like, you know. We go around Russia too and Australia, New Zealand, Japan, and you know, UK same way, and we go some little island where some people never know about where. They must say some, you know, like New Caledonia and them place there. Real indigenous place there. Like.
And I receive it.
I see some things, you know, and people I say, yeah. I got the place named New Caledonia. There's a festival going on. I'm there backstage and I see the youth. I see the man first, I see him pick off something off of the tree, you know. Like, I said, what that? What, you know? But I see some green ants, just like red ants. And he might tell me to try it.
Yeah.
But you know me not buy it. He might pick up and I talk about a vitamin and something. But people there, yeah.
For them culture that's still, brother.
Yeah.
You know what you think go. Where you not go yet, where you want to go?
I'm not go yet.
Been to Africa?
Yeah man, I go Africa man. I go Ghana, South Africa, Gambia, Morocco, Guinea. We just come from Guinea like, I went in December.
Yeah.
What there? Just what there? Yeah man, when I Guinea there man. When Africa nice too, you know.
Yeah.
For a lot of Jamaican child, stop listening to other people and go check out Africa for
But I
themselves.
appreciate it.
They would appreciate even it more. They would even appreciate Jamaica more when they go to Africa. You understand me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And see, you know, people, cause between me and you, Africa is the place, you know?
Yeah.
Because
yeah, I said that as a Rasta man,
but
I said that as a black man.
as a reality.
Yeah.
As a people.
Yeah.
Not as a Rasta man, me I speak as an individual.
Yes.
Cause everybody know me as a Rasta man, but me still I speak individually, like keep that on the whole for a while and just see me as a human being.
Andre Johnson.
Yeah. Cause you see, when I say in a Jamaica, that's why the people them so ignorant, you know. Because you can be ignorant, but you have to be ignorant for something and for your cause. Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. For something for your cause. Just like how we say you can fight, but fight for your cause.
So it's Africa the place.
Yeah, because the energy, you know, we're going to learn. So, you see, the universe, it's real. And we are connected to the universe. So when you wake up in the morning and the energy where you get the universe, if you want to get up and be a lazy man, fine.
Universe I give
Just step back a lazy energy now and do that thing then and work with your laziness. And don't ask why not happen for you for the day and them thing there.
Yeah, attitude.
Yeah. So you see, what Africa teach them want togetherness, you know. Remember, you know, as me say, I know everybody I got go with where you for go with, but
Sure
people, the liberty is there, like they eat together and they pray together and that thing there and the sharing and that thing there and that. You know that thing there?
Mad thing.
Can we go see the people that might eat every yard? You know, because more time me in the home, feed me eat with my children them. So you see the energy, how much energy me miss?
Yeah.
Like family energy.
Holy.
That thing there. You know, so some man I wonder, yo, John, we can't stay in my yard, then you have to use your energy and push yourself from your yard, please. You understand, man? So, no, but you learn from them.
That makes a lot of sense, brother.
No, but it's important.
Yes.
Because when me I grew up around table, me eating a king. Me grew up around table and eat.
Yeah.
Knife and fork. And if I do so with my elbow up on the table, my mother dismiss me from them. Yo, leave the table and go wash up the plate then. So you see what energy that togetherness that over days them thing the man them change and start to watch the American life and you know want the life but now I work towards the life.
Yeah.
Want it quick.
Yeah.
So you see that energy that I tell you about, that togetherness there and I pray together and that thing that we as Bobo Shanti try create around here and cleanliness first and wash your hand. And before coronavirus we have to wash hand and my lad and blessed love my lad and don't do that thing there. Grounds me out and you know that thing there? We did not do it but Rasta idiot. A beard plant them and they go in a bush go plant. We not dirty up we hand. We are hot Rasta. And man usually tell me them things and I say, family and I say, John, what is it? Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, so me I show you say the thing, the real or real authentic us, we lose it. That's why
Thing change it true.
That's why them thing that happen car. You know, it's like, you know, I know like one time when, you know, said when me I grew up, me I'll eat at my yard and me go eat at next yard. Because me a youth, liquor youth. You know?
Yeah, man.
And me I eat at like three
Dinner you get for the idea there.
No, because me I tell you say to all the family, the indigenous way, the life, the way the people them live. You see, say a community is like village. You know what I mean?
Again.
Yeah, so I mean, it's like, them the thing they missing, you know, King, cause this a generation where we are grow, we don't grow them way there. Cause the people them separate themselves and their family, if I'm wrong, or I should say separate their kids from other people's kids, because to tell live vision and tell people and show them, make them start up, be like, even if no party, woman no want go, because you know say this a time, and no time when the whole money they about King, and people can afford what them can afford, and man pan sound and said, you know, have a name brand and you know do them thing and them try push away in a way, but them don't know that them a do like yeah try do so, and people say, oh, me nah go and girl come a party and nobody going at the dance outside and I listen and jump till she go home, because you know the clothes were there. We don't want to have it. Because a man who say Mason, I don't have to wear, that's why I don't want a clothes thing. Another thing, I'm going to drop my clothes line soon.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's in I'm making stuff.
What name?
Yeah?
What you name?
Jah Mason,
Just
man.
Jah Mason.
Yeah. Yeah, so.
How soon is soon?
Soon, like soon. I'll tell you when I let you do the part of the advertisement.
Nothing wrong, man. Nothing wrong. We give thanks.
Now wait till them get everything together. But it's like soon. When I say soon, like soon.
Yeah. Of all the songs that you have done, Mason, Zaid, which song has done the best for you from a financial perspective? The song that make you most money for you.
Alright. You know how it's song the most money, man. A Princess Gone.
Princess Gone.
Every day I sing that song that has dub plate. You know?
Every day.
Like every day. If I take up my phone right now and show you dub plate.
Request.
When we have to go in the studio, I do now for the people, them. Like every day. Every day. Sometimes any day where you see me not sing, it's like I'm gathering for them to be like more than one. So
I just go and go chop them.
I can get a bigger piece of palette, different from my wallet.
Yeah?
You know everything already, man. Yeah, man, you know, man.
So that song has been good to you?
Yeah, then it started to work out.
For all your songs?
I don't like a one song I have, but it's been good because, you know,
making most money, you can't go around that.
Most money, the sound man, them use it up regular. Because some people, when a sound man and call me and they say, just do this to me and sing it for my wife's birthday and it's $1,000. Yeah.
Mad.
You know them way, so it like pop in and drop in at some place where it fit in.
Good music, never feel, brother.
Then because other people can
identify and appreciate it.
It's a form of experience to them. Them have a girl with them they love so much and she gone, and you know the way how me put the words together, it's I mean the way how them would look at it, like you have to do a thing like that and you just follow your friend them and just you know that way then.
Most times the artist's biggest song and their favorite song. Of all the songs we do, which one of the songs mean the most to you? You appreciate the song.
I reality I'm talking because I have more time, you know, to me singing so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, me have other song, man, where I'm a favorite song, them, man, like From What Day and... Yeah. You don't even know that song.
No, I don't know it. Yeah, I know it at all.
Because you see that song I write up on the next thing again, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, because...
What go on this time?
Me there and like, me take the farming on a bigger level.
Yeah.
Me did kind of have a chill and there and chill out with the man them in the hill. Them time I farm up on the hill there with my bridging name, Boy Blue. About 6 months to that, we not do not flying or nothing, you know. So, people are asking me, and them I said they can't see me, and them I said this, and them I said that, and I just one day over there and say, hey, from where them I said they can't see me. And I say from where there? Them a say from what day, them a say them can't see me in the hills of farm and the food them a fi me. From what day, them a say them can't. Me exercise the gift. We still a see I give me Jah Mason go so. Give them a break and prepare for this recession. Self-sufficiency, enough of them no reckon. Don't try farm against me, so no weapon. I'm the breadwinner, I don't have a second. Marcus Garvey come show me vision. King Emmanuel come seal up the mission. Emperor Selassie burn them superstition. Alright, tell tell them, say from what day, them I said them can't see me in the hills of farm and the food them a for me. From what day, them I said them can't, I exercise the gift, we still see I give me. Alright, them can't see Jah Mason, that means me time occupy. When me a plant food for people come by, then you know see say food boy gone side eye. When yo man. Yeah man,
experience again.
Yeah man, me no stop, me just
From what day, yeah. That's the title.
Yeah man, from what day, man, and then me come back again. And me I say, cause I just farming me and try expose to people, yes. And I make them and them know say, you know, some more time you have some man where them lazy. Cause most of you them race around me a farm. Every man where you sit and up out there so.
Farm.
A farmer.
Bless up to the man them.
Yeah.
Mad.
And you see for my friend them, you choose them. No, like for real in a real life.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause the man can't come tell me certain thing where I fall for it and I go for it cause I choose the people them who we give things to. That's me, that's my policy. So you never work yet and you see things, I say you need that. Man, if you're lazy, you know you're crazy and you are idiot. Tell them you can't yam grass and you can't yam flowers. No for them lazy, that's why them turn bowers. Can't yam grass and you can't yam flowers. Real farmer man, you know what them got the powers. Me got one intention. We plant food. Lazy people, them me no mention. Them me nah use. Me son I do this from day one, so me can't lose. If I know God I must say Satan, them confused. Tell them you can't yam grass and you can't yam flowers. No for them lazy, that's why them turn bowers. Can't yam grass and you can't yam flowers. Real farmer man, you know what them get the powers. You never work yet, and you see things, I say you need that.
And that's why
but from you lazy, you're crazy, you are idiot. You understand?
Man.
So me just, everything me have a breakdown like well composition for them like, yeah, you know what, so I come now, lyrics are come, but you know, a thing, me address it and me make you think about it and then tomorrow you want to go do it. Me have a belt and you lazy. Go work, boy. You understand?
Music just flow naturally for your brother.
Come here and say, Farmer man, yeah, are you ready? Make we plant some good food for we body. Farmer man, yeah, are you ready? Them love food, them bad food, we no want it. America plan war and a prepare for bombing. Me a plan food and a prepare for famine. Not for them lazy but them love nyamin. The one go last, me don't understand him. When food for plant him no in a the planning. Better look a visa and go back in a foreign. Boy go on back straight to your gang banging. Come me plant acres and farmer man, yeah. Are you ready? Make we plant some good food for we body. Farmer man, yeah, are you ready? Them love food, them bad food, we no want it. So me gonna export, import, want a food, me a ship a must a banana boat. People that say them want food in a throat. Fresh vegetarian, no food there, no. Yo, mad. That's some crazy thing, man.
You the Ministry of Agriculture need to come find to push the things to the people, them brother.
He's a registered farmer, you know?
Yes.
With RADA.
Yeah.
So, the thing is here, is just the people, as me I try to tell you, say, them need to do the things what we expect them to do and don't let we as farmers, because I speak as a farmer, you know, yes, and not as a musician, you know,
yes,
wait and them. You understand me?
Yeah.
Them for just come to we come do what them for do. The youth them need seeds. The youth them need irrigation hose. The youth them need all the thing. You understand? So if we, you know, do so as independent farmer and go in our pocket.
Rough. Not
yeah, rough seeking.
But glad for know, say, as a man we are trying to do the things still, you take it up on yourself.
And we endorse it too, and it's like, as me tell you, we don't have advice to them, but so far, Me are the vice right now.
Big vice, brother.
For them. You over as me I say.
Yeah, what a
So,
big vice, man.
We just go and hammer it in the head. Everything what me I tell them. Because when me I tell them no know, what me I tell them say America plan a war and I prepare for bombing.
Yes.
So what we for do?
One of the next thing, as I said that though, me, because as a teacher of geography, we teach agriculture, see?
Yes.
And more time from agriculture class, most of the youth them have this thing about farmer in them head. When the word farmer, them I think about a man when I want tear up pants.
No, not dirty man. Yeah, because you know, when me I go to school, me did want really depart from the farm. Me I say, thing, me I go there in a bush every day. Because I me after me that yeah, young youth and I say,
Yeah.
Because the people around you is where the people around you, is what they give off, that's why I tell you about energy, You see, if you give off bad energy and you send a wrong message,
that a return.
Now I'm gonna stop, man. Back in the days, man, you hear some look up parents, I say, oh, my son now go going on a duck like them and weed no grass.
Yes.
But children don't really understand, say, you know. Them never look on the thing the way how them feel look on it, because we were once tricked about that thing, like that's the lowest and
yes.
That's the, you know what I say, just like one man that say garbage man and look on him like him and look down on him.
Nobody no farm, nobody no eat, brother.
Idiot are the same man that clean up in front of your yard. Because if your yard did clean, him wouldn't have to come out and pick up the garbage.
Sure that.
So what about that? So we never really look down on people or try to judge them for what they are. You understand me? Because I went there, me and my brethren, I said, after I sell almost 4,000 pounds of watermelon right there, so yesterday, before I open up that place,
yeah.
And I said to my brethren, say, you see, $100,000 this man collecting up here, see him over there, sir. And I say, yo, I never have to left and go to the studio for a sing or nothing, because I just show them, say, yo, I know music every time when you see me, I handle money.
I know music alone.
Don't, you understand me? So I want to handle money too, and I know farming alone, or so be self-sufficient. You know, we have to have, make the man know we have to be creative too, because you come and you see how my things set, you know what I say? Because what if music like down tomorrow, because they don't say it already, you know, my lad, and the man them never, I'm not going to say them not take heed, because I don't want to speak things when I go so. Because me see one say, if Babylon lock up a shop and a store in a supermarket, then if you no farm, then you win a big problem. Lock up a shop and a store in a supermarket, them farmer man me done set the trend. Me plant banana by the bunches and yam by the basket, dashing and cocoa. And me never stop, me just
yeah.
Nobody not pay that no mind, because that I don't take off no girl jazz and do some, I don't know, X-rated nothing, yes. I don't know, gun thing me attack, and I don't bust no gun in a song. Because I know what attract them and them. But to me, this more attractive.
Yes.
Because, to be honest, Mrs. Sarah is not a lot of them take it on still like what we do, but few of the youth them take on the farming thing that we kind of overstand and sister like money in a making. Like, you know,
I know that, brother. I not start yet, but
yeah,
we know that. But I'm more animal. We are pretty.
Yeah, never probably don't eat again because you have people out there who go that part there too.
Yeah, man.
But you me can't angle animal.
I know I think that, man.
I just go and
that's
do
on Trent and Noah, you know what I mean? They don't know your thing that's
they know your thing, man. You understand me? You understand me?
Fall, you know what I mean?
For real, man.
But we don't get wrong to it still.
I simple thing, man.
We know the importance because some of the youth them say the thing has demeaning and dirty. And they know so some of the wealthiest man them in the place. A farmer.
But it's money making thing. I mean, you can invest. I mean,
a flashy thing them like, brother.
Yeah.
So when a man like you, we have him thing already, we achieve some things, can say to the man them say, yo, that thing here, it's important and it can make some money for you.
Yeah,
it's important.
No wrong. An investment that some of the man them figure do, go invest in a something, man. Instead of investing in nothing.
Yeah, as a matter, when I teach agri again, I cut out this and play for them.
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
Yeah, man, a reality kid.
That's how I think they As a matter of fact,
yeah, man,
agri should teach.
Yeah, that's why I like your thing, it's a teach them.
Yeah, man.
You understand me? And
I
reach them.
Talk it,
yeah, I don't know talking thing, man. I remember each one teach one.
Yes, man.
So, your knowledge,
Knowledge.
you know,
Yeah.
you hand it over to,
Yes.
you know, the next generation, them, and
So
they
the thing
can
set up, man.
become even more, you know what I say? Yeah, man, because the youth, them more bright and a king. The youth, them
They're
generation.
far more exposed than we, man. So they quick up on certain
So you
things
can
than we.
imagine if we did have that IQ there.
Yes.
What them your youth have now. We are ahead of the thing, man.
True. True that.
Yeah, we would have ahead of the thing. Yeah. So I mean, we have to just be creative and remember self-sufficiency is the key. Because there's so much creation where a man can do right now if him jobless or if him whatever. Whatever less you is.
Yeah.
You can, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
The whole I less them from jobless to homeless to the whole of the thing them. Be
Whole I less
creative
them.
and, you know what I say? Because all the way you say that you say creation in the king, out of nothing we do everything in a king.
Yeah.
As my grandmother had said. No?
Give thanks.
Yeah. And it's there.
Yeah.
The self-sufficiency. And the whole of the things them did, the man them now for run down nothing and go try to chop off themselves and send themselves a workhouse king.
True that.
That me see.
Yeah. Is there a song you have me so your voice, so you think that tune and reach as many people as it shouldn't reach? You don't get the amount of exposure what you think you shouldn't get. The people them not hear it.
You know, sir. You know, said enough song I have when I really get the exposure where you get. But
Which one you want the people in here?
They are too much king.
Too much.
The catalog too big as me I say. Me just I say me no want even if me get 6 like. Me still I say it reach a ears because 6 they can tell 6 more people and then the 6 tell 6 more. So me look panic because it's just the timing car. Listen how all music thing go. Cause all me still a wait for my time king.
You still away for your time.
I mean, I'm going to grow up.
Jah Mason still away for your time.
Yes, so we just humble and coming and just, you understand what I'm saying? The way I deal with the thing, the way it's supposed to deal with. And me personally, me individually, as an individual, speaking, I just saw my thing, like I said, because who to tell when you go out there and listeners who never heard me before, because I'm new to a lot of people.
Yeah, I
out
know
there.
everybody
You
know
them things
me,
that
so
are
true that.
So, you know what I mean? Of course I'm important in the world as a human being, but
as a musician, you don't reach everybody.
we all are important. And I mean, when the important people in here, them know what to do.
Yes.
And them know how to support the thing same way. And, you know, because I still I said, I can't be ungrateful.
Yes.
I have to give thanks and glorify and what I have and what I achieve. It's been a far way, coming from a far way, and I mean,
Still a far
the achievement is awesome.
Speaking about achievement, what is your single greatest achievement as a musician so far with the journey?
Boy, it's like everything, me youths, them everything king, cause them come right under music, you know, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Them are my greatest achievement, my offspring.
How many of them?
19 of them. You understand?
I don't just the land down so you have plant seed pad, brother.
No, you them awesome, man.
Yeah?
No, man, them big up themselves, man.
What the age range?
Huh? Like the age range.
The oldest one, the youngest
My
one.
oldest youth are 28.
Yeah?
Yeah, from this I come now.
Come down.
Yeah.
How far down?
Down to like 6.
Yeah. And everybody good.
Everybody good, man.
Yeah, man. Man, them a go school and
Yeah.
I do the thing the right
And
way.
them a fool.
Makes sense.
Yeah. And yeah.
The I ever been married?
Oh, no, sir.
That look like kind of something you're interested in, I do.
No, I don't like, you say, interesting. I'm married up. I want powerful thing that time.
Yeah?
So you have to, you know, big commitment.
Yeah. May I ask you a question though?
But it's like, you can't say you're married, see,
Yeah. May I ask you a question?
you
Cause
know the way they think happy and them.
yeah. You're not married
How
until
many people married?
You're not
Hold
married
on, how
until
many
they're married. Some people say them in love, some people say them want to spend the rest
That
of their life with a
question,
person.
yeah. That's the first one. How many then divorce?
Well, but then the kind of thing no work. Them probably get married for the wrong reason.
So, why me and my empress couldn't be together, and if it just don't work, it's just for whatever reason.
Yeah. I don't know, I just ask them, I know people out there want to know if me yourself married and everything. I just ask
them want married.
Well,
no, sir.
let me ask you a question though. We could go back to the youths them, 19 of them. See? Because the reality is that I don't ask you, but I can guarantee say all of the youth them are for one woman. See? You get enough time to spend with the youth them. Are you able to take care of all of the youth them equally do me so when you have so much?
I trust you is enough of me youth them a big youth and one of them don't get take care of one of them for come take care of daddy now. You know that part there? Yeah. And the next youth them good man.
Give thanks.
Right a foot there man.
Give thanks. Because you have man out there who have only by youth and now do the right thing.
My youth them know me a principal man.
Yeah.
Them know.
Give thanks.
Yeah.
Give thanks.
Yeah.
Is there anything we not achieve musically yet we are still hope to achieve?
No, sir.
Yeah?
Everything, we're good with everything when we get
good.
so far. Yeah.
Thankful.
Yeah. You come like me achieve everything already.
Yeah.
You understand? I don't know like what man what is I mean,
yeah.
For example, what's achievement? What amount of achievement are we looking for just to say we achieve?
Yes. So you're good for you there?
Them the most good teacher man can write roof over my head.
Yes. Nice roof over your head.
And food on my table.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah, man.
Shoes on my feet.
Yeah.
You understand me? You understand me? And the age protected.
Yes.
The infant being cared for.
Yes.
Sick nourished. Homeless shelter. Age protected. King.
Give thanks.
You understand me? You know King.
Yeah. Macy is an artist. Macy is also a farmer. If it was music and farming, what is that one thing though the way you say? You then like, something you then try out for. Macy.
Like you forget the man pass way, the man gone over. The man gone way over one part of
But never say you never get the name because it's a Macy.
No, I know about that. Most of the night then you feel that we could have a name and I use it up to.
Yeah. So some of the construction now, we have some place you're involved in it.
Yeah, talk some man.
Mad.
Involved in a portion of it, man. Yeah, man. I'm a good pan stone wall, a pack stone wall,
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Mad them way, man. Yeah.
I see, there so there's a man in your watch and your gold ring and your chain. There are some people out there that say, oh, yeah, Rasta man.
No, man, them are just some gift, man. If you see what they
Empress men in.
Alright, Empire, right?
And the Emperor,
so it represents, me everything when you're asking about, it represents something.
Yes.
Me not just wear it through like flashy thing. Because them things we don't own them already, you know, King, and we know what people are going to think, and people are going to say, oh, Mason still have the slavery chain. No! Them things we own them things. Because my father are the owner for everything.
Yeah.
So,
I don't know if you take piece of what you own.
If me advertise piece of my father merchandise. Because I must that, and it's a lion head. Me's a lion. Me represent the lion in the jungle.
Yeah.
You understand? And my watch represent the time. You know, because me not can't just tell you the time like that. We know we indigenous and me tell you we lose a lot of things. Because me should have supposed to can tell you, say, yo, teach them. At them time there now.
Yes.
When me I look now watch on the on my hand, but me I tell you the time. But I mean, you know, them things are a gift to, because you them give us something with us.
Accept
something.
something.
I said, Daddy, don't want to say,
yeah. Well, I suppose the message in this too, me say is that as a Rasta, being a Rasta means so you have a dirty brother, you think for clean.
I mean, no, we still
because some people have a Rasta thing in them head, Rasta for look that way there and him ear for all over the place and them something there.
Because it could have been another person you interview and him is not a Rasta and him have a next thing when him rub out him skin a little bit and him do something and
yeah.
Maybe you'd ask him the same question too, you know, I mean, but me being a Rasta, me, it's just the lifestyle.
Yes.
The liberty. You know what I say? It's a live.
So you have to keep yourself clean
Yeah,
and presentable.
of course.
That's
Then
important,
the example
brother.
that way you set, man.
Yes, sir.
Can remember say, from where I grew up, you know, we are here, the people must say cleanliness is next to
Godliness.
yeah. So that's why when you see the bubble in a halfway tree with the broom and the mat, you know, if you ask like, what am I do? Or it might remind somebody.
And if you clean out the place.
Some person I get some reminder, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, like him have to come tell you in your ears, you know, but I mean,
You see what
you
I want.
see it and everything that occur in the face of the earth projects an energy.
Yes. There's a message in it.
Yeah, there's a message in it. So it's like we as people we have basic knowledge. I wouldn't even say basic education. Because a lot of us, even we're not really proper educated because they miseducate us. That's what I mean, you know. We have education,
but yeah,
don't get it wrong, you know. But
we're miseducated.
yeah, we were miseducated. Because a lot of things we know, we don't know. Cause you know what I'm saying?
From we.
And then that's why I like your job. Because you teach them, I each one teach one. So what me don't know, and you are going to teach me that I your duty. And where you don't know,
You
I mean, no, me I go, yeah, over.
There you go.
Yeah.
Looking at the journey, Mason. Yeah? From where you start to where you're there now. Would you do anything differently if you get a chance to redo that something here?
If I do something different.
Yeah, if you then change anything. Like something happen and you say, yo, I wish me to do that way there.
No,
Same journey.
Same way the blessing I go come. I look upon it, man. I see way, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, in a sense, I'm going to try to change you. Because the universe fix everything, you know. And you see how it fix. Don't try to change what you see the universe a fix. Because enough time you hear the weatherman say rain and I'm not seeing no rain. And you will be careful of what you wish for. No, that's the thing. Because you will wish for something, you know, and then it, I said, John, then this a bird me, it come with king.
Yeah, man, I never that you want for true.
Me never know it come with this at every price, John.
True.
That thing there. Because I just accept the life I have.
Yeah.
And I work with it. Because it work out.
Yeah.
You know? Kind of like me, I try to catch up with the next people them or nothing. And them not they far than me. Even if them not too far. And I like me, I try in a race with nobody or nothing. But
Yeah.
I mean, if it's like that, I mean, if it's say artist and them say Mason, we can, and the discussion come up here, may have one. Yeah, may have one of that too.
You can represent yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is
I
there
know with them pre in the artist world, you know.
Yeah.
The material thing mash up the man them mind. And them go over hard, then go extra hard. And I know say, oh, all of them think the way I go hard, you can just go easy too. And the other them same way. Yeah man, because we know this thing and I think I do this for years and I say all the way you see in the book,
Yeah.
I see it.
You see it already.
And I know about them. Because you see that thing the way you hear them I say, that man is hot today and him hot, that girl is hot today and them. Don't believe that thing there. The whole of them hot king, because you know the hotness of something where them buy. Yeah man, you can buy it man. You can go downtown, go buy it. Or if you shop Italian store, you have Italian store anywhere in Jamaica. I thought the top one them there, you go order everything. Hotness of something where you order and wear it. And you come out and a man say, and you go buy a car. So the art, where them look for as hotness, you know, is like a different impression. So you would think of them people, they are lead in the thing, but it's not that. Them are lead in a hotness
Yeah.
and slackness. You understand me? But them are we are lead in a blackness.
Yeah.
Yeah man. And topness.
Watch out. Yeah, one of your most notable songs that they collab with Ayakura, see? Is there anybody we don't work with yet in other business?
More than one collaboration, me
Yeah,
and Kira, you know.
more than one?
Yeah man, me and him have a next time we say, working so hard in a Babylon, still I can see what I've been working for. Modern slavery, Them still a kill baby. I mean I say, we a cut and a clear, them a mac and a jeer. Emperor Selassie, I alone when me fear. Me cut and a clear, them a mac and a jeer. Emperor Selassie with me. Yeah, man.
Some strange is a song in a Cadec still.
Yeah, man.
More than like when we hear it already.
Enfield production, man.
I'm going to search it, man.
Enfield production, because you know my brain after clicking on and remember.
What the title?
Working so hard.
So hard.
Yeah, man. And Richie Spice dep on the rhythm too, and me check the Prophet dep on it too, and Shadow Man, and me and Jack York.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
That same song the Vice part run Come Love Me Tonight, Vice too, you know?
Yeah?
Run a sin.
Look here, yeah, Prophet have any collab?
Mm-hmm.
Which song now?
It name Rise.
Rise. Yeah?
Rise this morning in the rising sun. I never slug out when the sun comes shining out. I was there to open my mouth and shout praises. Rise this morning in the rising sun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is there anybody out there where you work with it on a collaborative basis where you don't mind? You're probably not going to seek it out, but if it happens, you don't mind. Because they appreciate them talent and them gift musically.
Yeah, well, you know, sir, see me, I just leave that to the universe, you know.
You just fall in place.
No comment.
Mad thing.
That's all.
Yeah.
That does come manifest.
Itself.
And I don't want to wake up. I don't know.
Mm.
Because sometimes, you know, we see how some of the nowadays youth them react to the artists them will set the trend and deal with the thing and set it away. Because you have certain youth out there will set it, you know. You know? I mean, sometimes, you know, me personally, I mean, like the energy where them give when people ask them like if they want to work with some people, because it's like the youth them will fight for the thing, if they put it on the map. They're not being respected. They really cut up about it, but I kind of, you know,
like
stick a pin on it, so and I look on it and I wonder why this? Why for that? Because, not because we're in a different time or a different era of the music where it's been recognized internationally.
Yeah.
And internationally, folks can recognize some of these nowadays youth who never struggle. Them take it like it's something them a throw back in the people them face, but I mean, you have to remember, you know, that you see in this thing, the same game, I'm tell you the first thing when you start asking me the interview, if you don't have plan B, you know, and think you have it all, you know, you have to know how they do the thing and we have to respect the people and we set it regardless who they are. But nowadays you too, them have some people who pay some big money. Because I never have nobody who pay money for me, you know. I never, everything when you come here come see, you know, king, I work hard and I sweat and work for it and every man can tell you, you know. That's why when I say I never have a manager, I couldn't have a manager because everybody will come around me think for management, like me have more than them.
Yeah.
So you're an assistant manager. No, me say manager, what me say manager thing? One day out there in the world and if I feel like I want material things, I'm just saying for example, I am not materialistic, but I am, it's a saying sake. If I out there in the world, I travel a lot and I see some tie and some glass and some sitting. You know what I call tie? I'm like up driving cars there and them things. Me as a youth, I never get no tie when me a youth and I want my tie as a big boy, you know. You travel with me and you're a manager, you support me, can I see me for look on that and say I like that, you know. And you tell me, say, right, me yes, no work. And you have to dip on your phone and I tell me, say, what part I want, where if I'm mobile, I ship it to Kingston.
Management then.
That's a manager. Yeah. After I'm done doing my show, you tell me, oh, because I'm not begging not need because I'm not like man. But me I tell you, say when you're done, do your calculation, how me I go pay you back for my things. And then the people they are manager, I don't want, we are struggle for doing nothing and me I talk about my own things and you tell me about my own money where me I work. And the manager, you help me count my money, you help me deal with my thing.
Yeah, assistant.
Yeah, so we have to put the thing, no man, the thing I have to fix the way.
Yeah.
But them are youth and them have manager.
Mm-hmm.
Because them have people who can buy them things and write song, give them and write what them for go say.
Yeah.
Them nowadays youth.
Mm.
But you see what I go on.
Speaking about write songs, you ever do a song when you write?
No, I did it when the person and me and a man write the song together.
Yeah.
All of my song now and me do them thing.
You write for anybody?
Yeah, man. Couple people well.
You probably not go and call a name still, but everything good.
Couple people well.
Couple people well.
Yeah, man.
Big songs.
Yeah, man. We'll just leave it as that, you know.
Yeah, what has Jah Mason been up to recently?
Well, as me tell you, I try to watch that thing here and I exercise social distance and I wait till that thing and clear up for me just jump out of the place because I have something I deal with over there. You know?
Yes.
Yeah, because I'm kind of there over there most times still. I hear up there. Some of just want that thing and clear up, some of just go finish up some unfinished things. And the mission continue because I have some Africa project to deal with and them things.
Yes.
Yeah, them things that we are talking about and then the farm and them things there. Yeah, man.
How the farming going?
Yeah, man, the farm are going, man, right? And now there's some new crop we want to put in, you know, and all these things.
Yeah.
Because I tell you, I make you get something off of the farm before.
Yeah, man, I appreciate that. How people can get things from off of your farm though? Yes.
Well, here we're going now. You see, one time, me used to like advertise it and them thing about, you know, the thing like, I like have some big, no people where I buy enough from me more time I never have to advertise no more. Community, them go market, my brethren them know the people them where do this big buying and just like when we tell you we sell £4,000 one time and right now I'm on doing £10,000. Oh, £1,000 a scallion.
£1,000 a scallion.
Yep.
How old was scallion?
I tell you some more time, then I like this thing as you know, like not only for fun, but for me, it's like I like fun, but I not fun.
Yeah.
You understand me? But it's a joy when you collect the money, my lad, and you know it's a joy. It's better than collecting nothing.
Collecting so all is better than not collecting.
Of course, because you know you see the energy where you put out and the effort, as me I tell you, say. Because even the man, them boy, and I say, me I say, you're lucky, you know. Oh, the fruit, them beer so big, and me I say, call them man, you want to know. Because me is a man, you know. Me go pray with the plant, them when them are growing, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's like me and them are growing together, okay? Because that energy, you know, if you see when your energy is important, as me I try to tell you. You know, some man breathe the thing different still from we, but deal with the plants, them like I'm a children, them same way, you know.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So, music has been good, farming has been good.
Life has been good.
Life has been good.
You understand me, sir? I mean,
Mason's still around, still in the studio.
It's only thing, still one working, thing me and fight, I want to know already, sir. The evil system cause the youths them to die. Cause you know I hate to see the whole world cry. Mothers and fathers keep wondering why. The Most High is for I and I. Emperor Selassie I. Yeah man, I just the evil system I fight now, Jah. Cause my friend them send seed for me. And then hold on pan it in the post office people. I don't know easy either, you know. Yeah man. And I don't know what I go on. But I never know what it is seed. I just 3 packages of seed. But get to find out so them have ban them things there. So I don't know if I something bad me do. If I something bad me do, me apologize. Although I am not the sender, I'm the receiver. You see the level, but me still apologize if me do something bad if I don't get my seed. But if I do nothing wrong, we don't need to send me things to me. No, me I tell you. You need it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so you shouldn't chat to the people when you go down so there, man. You don't see you go Ministry of Agriculture over there.
What am I ID me go pick up?
That you go pick up. They need to make it because you are going. If I was Minister of Agriculture, you know, and I see the movement, me then try create some form of synergy to help push it into the people then, but then why still.
Oh, yeah, but true, I never really want to go down. I never really go down upon that. I just go there for like build a relationship with them. You know what I mean?
As a registered farmer.
Yeah. No, for some, you know, I do the thing long time, Mason, and them find me thinking of the system and you know what I say. So, me even go to them panel levels that you know, so oh, me know hear the amount of farmer man song me do, me know.
Yeah.
So
what them say?
I know for them thing already, man. Because you have to know, you know, Jah. See these people.
We don't know what we want as a country, but...
Yeah, because me I tell you, say, the voice that needs to be heard is unheard.
Yeah.
But here we go on now. You see, we, the people who have good things for deliver to them people, and the individual them who have good things and good message, we are like diamond in the rubble. So when you say I'm like I'm comfortable with them, are the same thing the listener them are diamond in the rubble same way, cause and everybody want to hear that thing what we are talking about, you know. And man don't want to hear certain thing, you know, but we need money.
So
we
man
need
come
cash.
like a song where you have named Empty Barrel. Let me say be a nice brother.
You understand?
But brother, we give thanks. You understand? We're glad to see the man out here do the thing different.
Yeah, man.
You understand? And enough man now take on this part of the thing here. Enough man now flash on the hype and them something there. You understand? But you stick to your thing, you stick to your roots, and you are contributing more way than one.
True.
To the country. And we give thanks to that brother.
Same here, Jah.
Yes, sir.
Man.
And it's such a short notice, because since we me link and you say, you stage
man,
ready. And
I mean, I tell you, say, at first, I do one of them things.
yeah. Give thanks. That means a lot, brother. Give thanks.
Yeah, man.
And I want that the people been asked.
I mean, I big up Natty King.
Jah Mason.
I mean, I big up Natty King. I'm Natty King, I'm a brother. Yeah.
G.
Yeah, Natty King.
Him have a thing the 20, yeah, the ball.
Yeah, man, we are there, man. We are there, thing, man. The 25th, man.
The 25th.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't see, I'm here video, you sir. Yeah, so brother, give thanks.
True,
it's a joy.
Yeah,
you understand? And whatever move you make, where you think the people them need to see, one phone call, brother.
True, that, man. For real, man.
One phone call out there. You understand what I say? So anything we do, where you want the people them see it, because the thing I reach some people.
Yeah, man, definitely.
You understand?
Man.
So give thanks, brother.
Yeah, man. Say that, man.
Yes, say me I say?
Yeah, man.
My empty barrel.
See you later. Chew them a empty barrel and I make the most nice. Now follow them through so them no realize. Teeth cocked up the king and I got trample pride. Go and cut them down to size. Chew them a empty barrel and I make the most nice. Now follow them through so them no realize. We accept the king and I got trample pride. Teach cut them down to size. Teach them! Say where there is faith, say then there is hope. Say no one can stop, teach them if them try. So when one door's closed, another is open. So we can get in. Yeah, you know it's Fire Mason representing for teach them. Teach them your princess gone far, far away. What you do? And you go left her a note. These are those who've been through so many struggles. Babylon will do whatever it takes for trouble. These are those. I am Mason, aka Farmer Man. Up.
Father Mason, I forgot to ask you earlier, for the people them out there who want to get in touch with you, how do they go about doing that?
Yeah, well, them can link my management team.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yes.
And them can link the number 1-876-398-0782.
Repeat the number.
1-876-398-0782.
Mad.
And if you want music for purchase, you can get it on any digital platform.
CD, baby, iTunes,
The whole of them,
Spotify,
name
the whole of
them.
them.
Yes.
Mad thing.
As me say, you don't know.
So you stay on social media.
Yeah, man. Social media.
Instagram, what's your name?
Instagram, Jah Mason Music.
Facebook,
Yeah. Andre Johnson.
Andre Johnson. Yeah, and anybody want to find you, to get some produce, River Nile.
Yeah, man. I see him one link, man. I see him number, them,
Yeah,
man.
man, I get everything.
398-0782.
Man as brother.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.